What's up guys, welcome to How Much YouTube channel. Today we're gonna review the GeckoScience main coffee warmer. This is a Bitcoin miner that can warm up your coffee or tea or whatever beverage you have. You put it on your desk, you put the cup on top, and it keeps it warm. It features Wi-Fi, USB-C. It's made in the US by GeckoScience. And I must say, it's one of the nicest products I've ever seen coming out from GeckoScience. And the reason is because the way it's designed with the wood on the bottom and the metal on top. And you can tell it's very high quality. It's very heavy. I like that. And it also gives it another feature. You're not just mining Bitcoin, you're also warming up your coffee. So if you have this on your desk, you're gonna get a bunch of questions like, what is this? What does it do? Why does it have a screen? And you're gonna tell people that you're mining Bitcoin while warming up your drink. We're gonna review it, set it up with the USB Type-C in the back, set up with the Wi-Fi and everything. It comes with the cable and power, so it comes with everything you need. We're gonna then get some different cups and we're gonna put it on top, see how it's gonna keep our tea or coffee warm. And that's it, let's get it done. Let's do it. So the first thing I'm gonna do is plug in the USB-C cable that came with it in the back. And the next, I'm gonna plug it into the power bank, power supply that it came with it. Bam, just like this. This thing takes some 20-30 watts, nothing. It's really not that much power anyway, so it's just more like fun than anything. And it's only 600 gigahash, so I'll definitely do something like solo mining with this. I'll try to hit a whole block. Or if you have a big farm with a bunch of S21s or something, you can just add this to your pool, have a little bit more hash rate, why not? So those are the uses for this, and let's set it up. All right guys, we are turning on the main coffee. It tells you to connect to main coffee Wi-Fi. Simply follow the instructions on the screen, very simple. So after that, we're gonna navigate to 192.168.1.5. 192.168.5.1, but it popped up on its own already. So I'm gonna click here, click refresh. Let's see if I can find my Wi-Fi here and put the password. After that, I'm gonna change the Bitcoin address to my Bitcoin address. I already have it saved up. So I'm gonna replace this. You don't want the default, you want to get paid. So copy your Bitcoin address right here. So this page popped up for me. It's gonna happen to you too, but if not, you can go to the address that shows on the screen. We're gonna choose the Wi-Fi. I'm gonna put the password in there, and then I'm gonna change the Bitcoin address. I already changed it. I saved my Bitcoin address already. So make sure you change that. You don't want the default address. You want you to get paid. So copy your Bitcoin address from Coinbase or whatever you have your Bitcoin from. And then I'm gonna put the password here and save, and we're ready to go. All right, hitting save with my Bitcoin address. And now it's gonna reboot. It shows you settings saved, rebooting. This is so nice. I like that the screen tells you everything that happens. When I first plug in, it took a few minutes to start, so be patient, okay? You will see nothing on the screen for a few minutes, and that's normal. Just let it run. All right, we see GeckoScience, main coffee. It's loading the modules. Here is our IP address, so we can log in and see what's going on. It's already started hashing. Look at that, 300 mega hashes. It's gonna start warming up soon. And look at that, you get a place where you can see all the settings. You can set up the target temperature for the hot plate. I'm actually gonna do it hot. I want my coffee really warm. I'm gonna do 55 degrees. You can actually choose what you wanna see. I don't care about the balance. I wanna see the time, I wanna see hash rate. I wanna see the Bitcoin price. That's so cool. So that way I can actually choose what I see on the screen. I love that. That's really cool. And you can see that you can set up if the front buttons work or not. I want to keep them the same. And now I can just save the settings and ready to go. If I want to change the pool here, if you want to change to a different pool, like brains or whatever, you change it. Bitcoin address, it's already mine, perfect. So I'm gonna go ahead and save settings. And I think now it's time for us to, we'll save, we'll do a restart system. So now we just have to wait for it to warm up to 55 degrees and then get some coffee on this, you know, get something like a drink to warm up. It actually shows you the temperature. Here's the Bitcoin price now showing up. It took a minute, $93,000. Hash rate 571, wow. Yeah, so the hash rate is gonna go up and down depending on the temperature of your room or whatever you're putting on top of here, or if you don't have anything here. So expect the hash rate to go up and down depending on the temperature goals you're setting for this. So cool, wow. All right, so let's get a cup that fits this, something flat here, and then maybe a metal bottle, and see how it's doing. All right, I set it up on my desk. I had to. This is so cool. So here's the product on bitcoinmerch.com, and here it is right here, getting warmer and warmer by the minute. And so yeah, it's gonna sit here for me. I'm gonna put my cup in there. So yeah, looks pretty nice. I can see the Bitcoin price in here and everything, hash rate. Very cool. All right, so first step, I'm gonna make some coffee. So it's not designed to warm up cold water or anything. It's designed to keep your coffee hot. So it's gonna make my coffee now, and I made sure it's metal and the bottom is flat. All right, I got my cup here. The bottom is metal. I'm gonna put it right here. Oh yeah, it's nice and warm. So as you can see, this is actually, that's kind of warm, honestly. More than warm, it's hot. So you have to be careful touching that. But there's a great connectivity here between my cup and the coffee main and the main coffee. I can see I'm hashing at 250. See, the hash rate depends on how much, you know, hot the plate is. So if you put more stuff on it, it will be less. It will be higher hash rate. So yeah, you can see that the temperature is 55.1. It keeps the temperature exactly what I put on the app. That's amazing. I put 55, it's on 55. That's incredible. So yeah, so hopefully I get a block. Find a whole 3 Bitcoins while keeping my coffee. Look at that. Nice and warm. Look at that steam. Let's go. Nice. You can put any cup on this, but I like the metal, makes it faster. But you can put any type of cup you want. And yeah, very cool. All right guys, this is it. That's the main coffee. Temperature perfect. It keeps my coffee nice and warm. It's been a long time. I've been leaving it for a long time. Let's try it. Great warm coffee. Get yours from bitcoinmerch.com. See live Bitcoin price. You can see it's so easy to set up. It looks so nice on the desk. It's so easy to set up. Grab yours, link below. And if you like this video, leave a comment. What do you drink? What are you gonna warm up with this? Leave a comment below. Like the video and subscribe. See you guys next time. Bye-bye. Another cool feature. I can control the temperature right away. So this benefits me because let's say I wanna go, I don't want to be here for the whole day. I'll put it on 35. I don't want this to be super hot if I'm not putting anything on top of it. So hash rate will go a little bit low, and I don't really care about the heat. But let's say I put something on top of it and I want to get higher temperature. Boom, I change it right there. I love that. Really cool feature.